Designed as a utility glove for any position, this Renegade 13-inch FB and basket web baseball and softball glove has a game-ready feel right out of the box thanks to the 90% Rawlings factory break-in. Ideal for recreational baseball, slowpitch softball and fastpitch softball players. Durable and lightweight pro mesh back design for optimal balance, added quickness and shape retention. Extra comfort and protection thanks to the high-density cushioned palm and index finger pads. Right hand throw equals left hand glove, left hand throw equals right hand glove. Right hand orientation equals right hand throw, left hand orientation equals left hand throw. Top reviews from the United States. Highly recommend. My son absolutely loves his, had almost zero break-in time, but we did spend time breaking it in, getting used to it. Used it in our last 10 games and went undefeated lol. We were already undefeated but my son needed a better mitt. I may as well shout out my team since I was a coach, Street. Joseph Braves went 15-0 for an undefeated season, won the city championship. So proud to have these boys on my team. My son swears the luck came from his glove. He is such a good catcher, I just don't have a lot of money these days for the gear needed to keep him at full advance. Great glove though, he's now using it to ball hawk at local college summer wood bat league, Street. Joseph Mustangs.